Hi everyone, I'm Jeff. I'm back with another video. Some of you, and thanks for watching and your comments in the Facebook group Air Quality in Delhi. I wanted to make another video because since the October 25th and 26th comparison we did, I've noticed a stark contrast again between October 28th. On the left side here, you see the screens being split down the middle. That's October 28th on the left, October 29th on the right. And zoomed out here, I wanted you to see how we can see the opaque nature, the bluish, grayish haze color of smoke over India. And let me just zoom in. And sorry about that, and I just want to be able to identify for the viewers as well where Delhi is, and I believe it's right about here from what I know about this river and the mountains here. So where you see this hand is, actually I can just click here on the 28th and just for a moment it should redraw. Yeah, right here is Delhi. Okay, and so this is October 28th. When I slide over to the 29th, you can see actually it's the crop fires again over here in Punjab, and as far west as over here, this is in Pakistan, even in the Punjabi region of Pakistan, they also burn a lot of crops as well. And this is all coming down and sliding down across the entire northern Indo-Gangetic Plain. So I'm going to go ahead and slide over, and you can see how Delhi on the 29th is suffering horribly. So again, the 28th, Delhi is right about here. So I'm just going to grab it right there actually and bring it over. And now you're right in the middle. That little wiggly hand is where you are. You're in the middle of this river of smoke. And that's what's getting you. This is making children sick. Our parents and grandparents are getting sick. Please, let's find other alternatives for the farmers to use besides burning, something that isn't going to have us smoking, the equivalent, especially at this time, of anywhere from 14 to 20 cigarettes a day. That's what you're breathing. All right, take care, protect yourselves. Thanks for watching.